Hey guys, welcome to Learn Pen, and today I'll show you guys another video of my unboxing of the Apple Pencil first generation. So I have this Apple Pencil which is compatible with the iPad 8th generation that I've recently unboxed. So if you have not watched that video yet, make sure you watch it. I will link the video in the description box, and make sure you guys are let's get this video started. So the first thing that we have to take note of is that Apple have announced this Apple Pencil first generation a few years ago, and they have still continued using this Apple Pencil for some of their recent iPads, such as the iPad 8th generation, that's what I said, the iPad 6th generation, and so on. So this Apple Pencil first generation is the first ever generation of the Apple Pencil family, and I have gotten hold of that. So in the box, before you open anything, it's just basically like a rectangular box. I think it's like a drawer type, like that. So it has like a bit of this tab for us to open it, and I think that's really cool. Okay, so there's a picture of how the Apple Pencil will look like, and I am really hoping that this would be the picture of the actual Apple Pencil inside. So we will check that out as well. Let's just look with a normal juice pen. So you can see that the pen difference is that the Apple Pencil was definitely bigger and actually around more than an inch longer than a normal juice pen. And yeah, so the sides, it says Apple Pencil. There's nothing written here, and it also says Apple Pencil here. There's just a tab there, and at the back you can see it says Apple Pencil. Just shows us how you can connect it to your iPad, and it's also officially verified by Apple. So without further ado, get this unboxing on. Okay, so let's go. I'm just a bit too excited, but let's just see what goes on. Okay. I really like this feature. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. Let's open. Oh, okay. That's really nice. That's really nice. Let's get this later. Let's look at what is in the manual itself. Okay, so when I okay, that's basically like the connector from your Apple Pencil to your cable, and an extra tip for you to use. And then it says Apple Pencil with just a bit of instructions on how you can connect it. There is safety handling instructions in various languages. There is a warranty summary of this, a 1-year warranty summary of this, and something here. I don't know what that is, but this time, since the Apple Pencil is pretty small and the Apple stickers are pretty big, I don't think they didn't actually include the Apple stickers. So yeah, but let's get to what is in the Apple Pencil itself. So okay, I really like how they made sure that the box fits perfectly of the Apple Pencil. It's really a nice tip, and it's pretty easy for us to take it also. Okay, let's look at the Apple Pencil itself. It's a cylindrical shaped pencil with it edging towards one tip of the Apple Pencil, and it says Apple Pencil right there. When you open this tab, that is the charging cable to where you can directly charge into your Apple products like your iPhone and your iPad, or use the connectors that we have just looked at to connect it with a charging cable. And this is a very sleek, the very sleek body, since it's really nice and you can write with anything. You can literally write this any way, anyhow. So you can write like this, 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 you can write like left-handed, write like this, write like this, write like this, like that. You know, you can write it anyway. So I mean, that is it, guys. That's I mean, I will show you guys how it worked with my iPad. I have two iPads, so I have a 6th generation as well. So I'll show you guys with both the iPad, and if you're excited to watch that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like below, and I would show you guys. So I really hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.